Have you ever wanted to make money online, but felt stuck because you don't have a big social media following? Yeah, same here. Most of the online income advice out there starts with grow a TikTok or build an Instagram audience. But what if you could skip all that? This ebook, No Followers Required, is all about flipping that script. It's a guide to online income strategies that work even if no one knows who you are. No influencers, no dancing, no fake followers, just smart, simple systems. Let's break it down. The core idea is this. Instead of building a personal brand, you tap into platforms where the traffic already exists. Think Google, Etsy, YouTube search, affiliate marketplaces, and more. It's all about sniper-style visibility, placing your offers, content, or services in front of people who are already searching for them. One of the simplest examples covered is selling digital downloads on Etsy. You don't need to go viral. You just create a product, like a printable budget planner or a wedding checklist, and use keyword research to make sure people can find it. Set it up once, optimize it, and let Etsy's search engine bring you traffic on autopilot. Another great strategy is affiliate SEO. Instead of starting a blog that takes months to rank, the ebook explains how to target low-competition, high-intent keywords, the kind people type in right before they buy something. You write a quick review, drop your affiliate link, and if you're positioned right, you earn commissions while you sleep. There are even tips for faceless YouTube, channels that use AI voiceovers and B-roll visuals to earn ad revenue without ever showing your face or building a fan base. Combine that with affiliate links in your descriptions, and you've got a system with real potential. And here's what I love. It's not hypey. This ebook doesn't promise overnight riches. Instead, it gives you over a dozen realistic ways to start earning, whether you've got 5 hours a week or want to go full-time. If any of this sparked your interest, definitely check out the full ebook. Links in the description. It's packed with step-by-step ideas, tools, and even prompt templates to help you take action. So if you're ready to build income streams without becoming a content machine or chasing likes, this guide might be exactly what you've been looking for. Link to grab your copy is right below. I think you'll get a ton out of it.